Hello, hello. Good evening, everybody. This is Tex Coin, and still we have a few minutes. So, Merry Christmas again to everybody. Hope everybody enjoyed a great Christmas day. Stay safe. God bless all of you, and continue your coin hunt. But what I have to share here today is, I guess, one of a few die chip type of mint errors that we found on this 2023 P Philadelphia Bessie Coleman U.S.Quarter. Yes, I've looked through many of this 2023 Bessie Coleman U.S. quarters, and I finally found something interesting to share. Yes, I've looked at some of the, I would say, people that classify them as errors, but they're actually cuts that are committed at the mint when they are extracting the coins from the feeders. And they have this kind of claws that extract the coins from the feeder. And those claws are basically damaging the coins, but they are not classified or considered as errors. But this one, it's a die chip, which is extra metal welded onto the planchet up on the die striking the planchet. The die gets extremely heated up with the hundreds and thousands of times that is actually pressing against this coins, this planchets. But as you can see here, all this stuff, it's actually um, grease from where they put the grease on the die, so the die can cool down some and won't break. But when it breaks, it causes um, die chips, which is excess metal that will be stuck and welded to the planchet or the minting. But anyway, that's enough a little bit of this. Let me show you. It's really nice, really cool, and I'm gonna name it the damaged wing. I won't say defective because I'm sure no airplane would be out there if it's defective, but damaged, perhaps, yes. This would be your normal reverse of the Bessie Coleman US quarter, and this would be your normal obverse. This is a Denver Mint US quarter, and this would be your normal mint on the reverse. Now, this die chip that I'm pointing out on the next quarter is going to be right here on top of this wing of the aircraft. Right here. It's really nice. It's very noticeable. So it's going to be right on top of this top wing here. Okay, this would be your 2023 US quarter normal reverse. Okay, as you can see, this quarter is a circulated quarter. So I was able to grab a few uncirculated coins. They're still on the roll, but those I'm not going to open just yet. All right, now let me show you this one here. Okay, this is your 2023 Philadelphia, which is a P, Philadelphia Mint US quarter. You see it stained and stuff, yes. It's actually the grease, over greased die that you have on this. Now, if you see something like that, don't wash them. because you'll cause more damage to your coin. So the more original your coin is, it maintains its value. Now your reverse is right there. But as you can see the wing already, that's a pretty nice die chip on the wing. Bessie Coleman. And you can see that damage on the wing right there. That's a pretty nice one. I like it. Pretty nice, right? Pretty nice. I thought it was something new to share. That way, all my viewers and subscribers can actually be looking for. And believe it or not, when you find something like this, it actually increases the value of your quarter. Yes, even a simple little die chip like that, it's an error committed by the mint, but when you send them off to grade, they don't classify that as an error. But there are a lot of people out there that find this type of discrepancies interesting, and they would want to collect every little bitty coin that has some kind of defect. You might not get much for a 25 cents piece, but it depends on your condition of the coin, mint state. How well this quarter is preserved will determine the value. So this quarter can go from $5 maybe to $20 because it's not in bad shape at all. With this little die chip on here, if somebody would say, I'll give you $5 for it, take it. Well, at least not yet. Maybe I have to find something or another one. Like I do have plenty of others that I found with the same type of error. And like with the torn bucket U.S.Quarter, but I want to say it's a 2015. I got plenty of those. So if anybody's going to be interested in purchasing a few, I can spare a few. But this one is something new to look for, and maybe even look elsewhere. The fingers, maybe the glasses. I mean, you've got to check your coins thoroughly just to make sure that nothing is left behind on your coins. Look for them very thoroughly and get to know your coins. That way you can view them quick and determine whether something's wrong with it or not. But this was pretty cool, I would say. Now let me put the other one right near it so we can maybe see the difference. There. Yeah, you can see the difference, all right? Your normal will be right here, normal aircraft, and this will be your die chip. Let me see if I can put this one on the bottom instead. Maybe I can get them closer. See the difference? Definitely, right? Just so you can look for something on this quarters. Right here, the die chip and your normal mint. Well, guys, I would say this will be the final video of the night, unless I can find some other one. But Merry Christmas again. God bless you all. You'll have a great night. Take care. Bye bye.